Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to NI EVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class Junior 1, and our today's topic is Tanween with double Jabar from Alif to Ya. That means Hamza dui Jabar an to Ya dui Jabar yan. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 8 and SW number 8. And inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Tanween, Arabic alphabet with Tanween, double Jabar from Alif to Ya. So my dear students, let's start. At first look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 29 Arabic alphabets or letters. Now we will learn Tanween with double Jabar from Alif to Ya. My dear students, we will know that double Jabar, double Zir and double pesh, double Jabar, double Zir and double pesh are called Tanween. Today we will learn Tanween with double Jabar. That means Hamza dui Jabar an. So my dear students, let's start. Okay, my dear students, let's start. Today we will learn Tanween with double Jabar. This one is Alif, you know that, my dear students. Now I am giving double Jabar over the Alif, and now we have to pronounce this one Hamza dui Jabar an. Hamza dui Jabar an. Now I am giving double Jabar over the Ba, and you have to pronounce this one Ba dui Jabar pa. Ba dui Jabar ban. Now I am giving double Jabar over the Ta, and you have to pronounce this one Ta dui Jabar tan. Then after giving dui Jabar over the Sa, you have to pronounce this one. You have to pronounce this one Sa dui Jabar san. Sa dui Jabar san, very softly. Now my dear students, you know that this one is Jim. After giving double Jabar over the Jim, you have to pronounce this one Jim dui Jabar jan. Jim dui Jabar jan. And my dear student, this one is Ha. Now you have to pronounce this one Ha dui Jabar han. Ha dui Jabar han. And you know that this one is Ho. Now we have to pronounce this one Ho dui Jabar khan. Ho dui Jabar khan, not Kha. This one is Ho. Now my dear student, this one is you have to pronounce now this one Dal dui Jabar dan. Dal dui Jabar dan. Now we have to pronounce this one Dal dui Jabar dan. Dal dui Jabar dan. Then my dear students, now I am giving double Jabar over the Ra, and you have to pronounce this one Ra dui Jabar ron. Ra dui Jabar ron, not Ra. This one is Ra. And now my dear students, this one is Za. Now you have to pronounce this one Za dui Jabar zan. Za dui Jabar zan. And this one is Sin. Now we have to pronounce this one Sin dui Jabar san. Sin dui Jabar san. One by one I am giving Jabar over all of the alphabets, my dear students. Now we have to pronounce this one Shin dui Jabar shan. Shin dui Jabar shan. And this one is Sod. And now we have to pronounce this one Sod dui Jabar son. Sod dui Jabar son. And this one is Dod. And now we have to pronounce this one Dod dui Jabar don. Dod dui Jabar don. And this one is To, not Twa. This one is To. And now we have to pronounce this one To dui Jabar ton. To dui Jabar ton. And this one is Lo, not Zwa. Lo. And now we have to pronounce this one Lo dui Jabar zon. Dha dui Jabar dhan, very softly. And now this one is Ain, and you have to pronounce now this one. Ain dui Jabar an, Ain dui Jabar an. This one is going. After giving double Jabar, you have to pronounce this one. Going dui Jabar gon, going dui Jabar gon. Not gain, this one is going. Now this one is Fa. And now you have to pronounce this one. Fa dui Jabar fan, Fa dui Jabar fan. Now my dear students, this one is dui nokta wala qaf. Dui nokta wala qaf, not kaf. This one is qaf. Now you have to pronounce this one. Qaf dui Jabar qan, Qaf dui Jabar qan. And now my dear students, this one is called Muddukhane pechano kaf. And now you have to pronounce this one. Kaf dui Jabar kan, Kaf dui Jabar kan. And now this one is Lam, and you have to pronounce after giving double Jabar. You have to pronounce this one. Lam dui Jabar lan, Lam dui Jabar lan. And now this one is Mim, you know that. And now you have to pronounce this one. Mim dui Jabar man, Mim dui Jabar man. And my dear students, this one is Noon. After giving Jabar, you have to pronounce this one. Nun dui Jabar nan, Nun dui Jabar nan. And now this one is Wow. And now we have to pronounce this one. Wow dui Jabar one, Wow dui Jabar one. And my dear student, this one is Ha. After giving Jabar, you have to, after giving double Jabar, you have to pronounce this one. Ha dui Jabar han, Ha dui Jabar han. Now my dear students, you know that this one is Hamza, and you have to pronounce this one. Hamza dui Jabar an, Hamza dui Jabar an. And now at last this one is Ya, you know that. Now I am giving double Jabar over the Ya, and you have to pronounce this one. Ya dui Jabar yan, Ya dui Jabar yan. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned Tanween with double Jabar from Alif to Ya. And my dear students, you know that today is our SW number 8. You will make SW at your home from Hamza dui Jabar an to Ya dui Jabar yan. SW number 8. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.